Bismillah, as-salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create an interior design, which is a sitting room in Revit, and after that I will take it to 3D Max for materials of rendering, and maybe after that we can take it to Photoshop to post-production. Okay, but before I'll start, may Allah bless all the my brothers and sisters that they killed in a terrorist attack in New Zealand. So may Allah accept them in al-shuhada, inshallah. Okay, so let's let me start. First of all, I'll up a new project, so construction or maybe architectural template, doesn't matter. Okay, after that I will change the units for something meters, because I prefer meter for like this project. I'm just waiting till the Revit open a new project. Yeah, it's just just like this. Write UN for unit and change the length to meters, and maybe 2 decimals is okay. And after that, okay. Okay, after that I will come to south and I will change the height of the room for something maybe 3.2 meters, and after that I can go back to level 1 sorry, and I can use walls, create some walls, and for the unconnected I want to connect to level 2, and after that wall center lines, no problem. I think 7 by 5 is okay. This is 5 and this is 7, so our room is 7 meter by 5 meter. And cancel, right click, cancel again. So I have a wall now. As you see, I created the wall. After that I want to make a floor for my room, so I can use it as a reference plane, so I can make false ceiling. So go to level 2 and go to floor and floor architecture, and I can just change the thickness of it by maybe 0.1 or 0.15 is okay, no problem. Okay, I'm sorry. Apply and okay. So I want to pick lines, maybe, yeah, this one, and this one, and this one. So okay, yes. So just see, as you see now I have this one. Okay, what I want to do now, if just I go to wireframe, I can see this slab and the walls also. So I will go to bottom view. Okay, I will use the components. Okay, components and model in place. I want to model my floor, so any type of this one you can use it, no problem. We can just use roofs. Okay, it doesn't matter, and by extension I think is okay. So I want to pick lines, pick interior lines, but first of all I have to set the plane. So for the plane, pick a plane. Okay, I want to pick a plane, this plane, yes. I want to pick a plane. Okay, as you see now, if I leave it as it is, it will extend all the way. So I don't want, I want to just only 10 centimeters. So I can give it an offset for 0.1 to the inside. As you see, it's like this. After that, I can use trim and extend. Trim and extend. Trim and extend. And also trim and extend. Okay, so just click finish. Here is a part of it. Okay. Sorry. Here is a part of it. Let me see it in the 3D view. I think we are okay, or just change it to realistic. As you see now, yes, everything is okay. Now everything is okay, as you see. But about the extrusion, I don't want to be 25 centimeters. I want to just 1, maybe 10 centimeters. It's just like this. I think, yes. So it's very good. 10 centimeters. After that, again, I want to create another one. Okay, but for this time I want to set the plane, this plane. Okay, and after that, again, go to bottom view and change it to this one, to wireframe, and again make an extrusion. Pick some lines, is this and this. Pick outer lines, and for the inner lines, for this time I want to give it an offset 0.5 centimeters from these lines, 0.5 meters from this line. So just like this. If you want to change this one to something else, you can do it very easily. It's not a problem. I mean, if you want to, this will be with an arc, it's pretty easy. Or let me just change these two and give it another offset with 0.5 and this 0.5, and after that I want to make this an arc. I'm sorry, I have to remove this offset first. Delete this offset, change it to 0, from here to here, like this, again from here to here till here. So what I have to do now, I want to delete this line and this line, again this line and this line, and trim and extend the rest. So just let me trim and extend these two and these two. It's up to you. So you're up to your design. Okay, this is just a false ceiling. It's up to your design. Okay, after that I have to go to the middle. How can I select the middle? I can make two lines from this middle and from this middle. So I could select this middle. But first I want to select this one after that, because I want to this part be separate from that part. So I want to just click finish. After that I will go back and make another one. So extrusion, set a plane, pick a plane. Okay, I want to from just tab onto this plane. Okay, now I can make two lines, so I can specify the center line, or the center point, sorry. From here I can make my design. It's maybe 1 meter is enough, and I can delete these two purple lines. And from here, what I want to give it a thickness maybe 0.15. It's just like this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just delete this one and select line. I don't want any offset, so the offset will be 0. So delete here. Delete. Make another one here, and just want to make a design. It's up to you, it's up to your design. I want to give it this 10 by 10 an offset. Maybe this is not good with you, you can change it, doesn't matter. It's just like this. I want to make my design. Okay, so what I can do now, I can just split this line is in some pointers. Okay, I want to delete these inner lines, and after that trim and extend from here to here, here to here, here to here. I want to trim and extend all the way for all the parts that exist in my project. Again, as I said, it's my design. It's maybe if it's not good for you, you can change if you want. Okay, so if I want, I can make another one. Maybe this time is 20.25 is okay, and give a thickness by maybe 10 for outside, and we can make some other design maybe from this. Sorry, I want to just delete the offset. Every time I forget to change this offset, but it's not problem. I want to make like some raise here. So what I want to be this one 10 centimeters or 20, so I can give it 0.1 for each side. It's just like this again, just split the outer, for this time only the outer part, and trim and extend this to that, so and join, no problem, this to that, this to that, and join, this to that, and join, and join elements, no problem. Okay, so I want to delete this inner lines again. If it's okay for you, it's very good. Otherwise, we can change these. We can make these arcs, anything that we want. As I said, it's up to your design. Maybe this is okay. Okay, so I have to trim and extend this too again also. Okay, I think now I have no problem with this part, so just click finish, and let's see it in the 3D with a realistic view. As you see, it's like this. You can change the extension for something about 0.2. I think is okay. You can change this one if you want. We can again after that we can give it different colors. As you see, now here we have some if you remove this this one, just let me finish the model first, and we can copy this one to the down. I'm sorry, not this copy, this type of copy, and select it to level 1. Okay, so now I can delete this one so I can see my decoration here. Okay, so I can go to Ctrl Z and go back to that view. Anyhow, and this is for the first lecture. For the next lecture, I will make doors, windows, and after that I will take it to 3D Max, and I will put materials there, and after that I want to render it with V-Ray, and God willing I will take it to Photoshop, or I want to show you how we can create a 360-degree image and how to upload it to Facebook. So thank you very much. Till the next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.